Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is teacher Rania. Welcome again to our English revision. Today we will continue our reading and grammar revision. So let's start together in the next page of reading revision. Okay? So here the question says, write the meaning of the following words. Write the meaning of the following words. Here I have a table and there is some 5 words, and up there is some of words that you must choose to complete this table. Okay, so let's start together to complete the table. Number 1, buried. Buried means to what? To put underground. Excellent. Because what? We studied that in the Albertosaurus mystery. Next one, overheated. We studied this word in the ice, in life on the ice. Okay, overheated means too hot. Okay, drowsy. We studied this word in the 2 bear cubs, if you remember. Drowsy means, yes, sleepy. Fierce. This animal is so fierce, so it means dangerous. Yes. Rubbish here means trash. We studied that in Judy Moody Says the Word. Okay, these are the correct answers. Let's move to the next question. Find the correct meaning of the underlined words. Here we have 4 sentences. In each sentence there is an underlined word. You will find the meaning of this word from the 2 choices that you have down. Okay, we should recycle all bottles and newspapers. What's the meaning of the word recycle? To use again or throw out? Yes, the correct answer, recycle, means to use again. The location of my house is near the post office. Okay, the location of my house. Location, the size of something or the place of something? Yes, excellent, the place of something. Water is spread in plants through passages. What is the meaning of passages? If you remember this word in the trees lesson. Channels or leaves? Yes, exactly. Channels. We climbed the mountain from the base to the peak. From the base to the peak. What's the meaning of the base? It is the top of the bottom. So here peak, it is the top, and the base is the bottom. So here we will choose the bottom. Okay. So here we finished now question 4. Let's move to question 5. Choose a word from the box to complete each sentence. We have here scolding, fossils, climate, pollution, drowsy, and skeletons. Okay, so here how can we know how to choose the correct words? We will see which word that complete the meaning of the sentence. Complete the meaning. So here you will think, before you choose, you should think, is this word complete the meaning or not? Okay, let's see. Showed many kinds of dinosaurs. What's the thing that showed me the kinds of dinosaurs? It's scolding, fossils, climate, pollution, drowsy, or skeletons? Yes, sure. The first one, it will be the fossils. Water here caused by throwing waste in the oceans. When we throw something in the water, it will be what? Yes, pollution. The teacher is the student after they misbehaved. Okay? when they make many, the students make many noise, and they maybe do something is not good, so the teacher is scolding them. Why? Because they are have a bad behavior. So here it is scolding. The of the desert is hot and dry. Hot and dry. What is the climate? Yes, excellent. Ben writes an article about air. What? Yes, pollution. If you notice here that I used the same word 2 times, why? You must know that maybe the teacher will put for you some tricky words to what? To confuse you, to see if you understand or not. So please, when you want to answer like these questions, you should think and see if this word will complete the meaning or not. Okay? So let's move to the next one. Sam still feels after 12 hours of sleep. Yes, drowsy. The scientists found many animals in Canada. Yes, still the word skeletons. So here we finish question 5. Here, the last question of word and meanings. So here, match the word with its meaning. We here have the word console, unexpected, evidence, complicated, and uncovering. Okay, again, console, unexpected, evidence, complicated, and uncovering. So here the meanings are to show by facts, without cover, to help someone to feel less sad, surprised, hard to understand. Let's see, number 1, console. Here, which one is the correct one? Yes, sure, to help someone to feel less sad. Unexpected, it means surprised, yes. Evidence, yes, to show by facts. Complicated, yes, it is hard to understand. And uncovering, it means without cover. Okay, so here are the answers of this question. Now we will move to page 13 in grammar to answer the first question of grammar revision. So here the question says, write the adjectives that tells about the underlined nouns. So here in each sentence you have an underlined noun, and you will see which adjective describes this noun. Okay, let's start. And you remember when we explained this lesson before, we said we will say not all the time, but almost the time, the adjectives come before the noun. Come before the noun. It means the adjective now here, then the noun after it. So here let's try to answer this question. Sam has 3 kittens in his room. Before we start answer this question, we will remember that the adjectives tell us about what? The numbers, the colors, the shapes, the size, the touch of something, or the taste of something, the smell of something, the what else? The expression also of the face or of someone. So all these words, all of them are adjectives. Okay, so here let's see. Sam has 3 kittens in his home. So where is here the kittens is the noun that I want to describe it. So it will be the word before it will be the adjective. So here the adjective is 3. The lion growled at the tiny mouse. Mouse here is the what? The noun that I want to describe. So here, so the word before it will be the adjective, so it will be tiny. We have a round table. Excellent, round, it's a shape. She draws a happy face. Yes, excellent, happy. Ben bought a red car. Red, it's a color, excellent. Please wash your dirty hands. Yes, dirty. And put the trash in this bin. Do you remember when we talked about the articles, and sometimes we consider them as what? As adjectives? Yes, here it is the adjective. Anna found a huge carrot in her farm. Yes, huge. Jack is a clever boy. Excellent, it's a clever. Susan made many sandwiches for her family. Yes, here many, because it is show me a number, or yes, it is like a number. Here, when we move to the question number 3, because question number 2 we answered this in the beginning of this week, so here, or in the previous class. So here today we will complete with question 3. I think all of you remember this table, because we studied it a lot in the class and out of the class. So here we said before that each verb has 3 forms, 3 shapes, okay? So here, the first one for the present, the second one for past, it means I use this when I want to talk about something happened in the present tense, and the other one is in the past, it means I will talk about something it's happened in the past, and the other one, it has a name, but we will not study the name, only we will study the situation of this verb. When we have in the sentence one of these 3 words, has, have, or had, do you remember that? If there is have, has, had before the main verb, okay, so we will choose, or we will use this form of verbs, okay? So we have 3 forms of verbs, present, past, and the form that we use it after has, have, or had, okay? So let's start together. Number 1 is come. In the past it will be came. With has, have, or had it will be come again. So it will be come, came, come, okay? Do you remember that? Go in the present, in the past went, and the third one is gone. So it will be go, went, gone. Write, wrote, written. Grow, grew, grown. Run, ran, run again. Do, did, done. Okay? So please don't forget that ever, because you will use it in all of your life. Okay? So let's just move to I think here we finished all our revision for today, and inshallah tomorrow we will continue together. Please write or answer all these questions and write them in your revision worksheet, and be ready for the next one. Thank you, and I hope it's clear for you. Goodbye.